Mate, that was really cool.
Yeah.
But I want to see a POV.
Oh, but I can't. I haven't got a Oh. Oh. This is the new GO3 from Insta360. And weighing only 35 grams, it's the world's smallest, tiny but mighty action camera. That there does the entire job of an action camera. So its predecessor, the GO2, was really exciting. Me and Ben absolutely loved working with it. It was fun, wasn't it?
So good.
Like, it's so versatile and so usable, and actually just demolishes all the problems you get with bulky action cameras and equipment and the camera you're holding. Just the entire process of filming riding or filming a day out, or a parent filming their kids, or a pet, you know? This just demolishes all of those issues because that does everything. But they've upgraded it so much. So the GO3 comes with this portable case, so it's like Apple AirPods. It goes into there and charges. But that camera now has 170 minutes of battery life, almost 3 hours of shooting. It has a flip-up touchscreen, so you can watch back all your clips on that. You can attach it as a selfie stick. It's great for vlogging because that kind of looks like an action camera, doesn't it? And you can use it as such, filming, like that looks pretty familiar. But then you remove it, and that is what I think is so special about this. So one thing Insta360 does better than everyone, in my honest opinion, is the hardware. This is what I get so excited about. This is a necklace with a magnet on it, which is completely adjustable. So if I do it up a bit, even though I've got quite a thick neck, I need to tighten it. But wear that under my t-shirt. No one would know I'm wearing a magnet, would they? You'd be completely unaware. And with this in my pocket, just tuck it on there. And with horizon lock, flow state stabilization, I can just ride my bike. This will capture everything in 2.7K, hands-free, riding my bike, or if you want to sit at the computer and film yourself do something, go into a shop and like catch someone out, I don't know. That is just the most stealth way of filming ever. And the fact that the quality, the fact that it does slow-mo, the fact that it does time-lapse, the fact that it has all of the functionality of an action camera in a 35-gram tiny little thing that goes in your pocket is so sick. And now I feel like this is the future. That is as stealthy as filming can possibly get. And you get loads of other attachments too. That is what you put on the end of your selfie stick. That fits onto that magnetically. Whoa. That goes in there. That folds out. You know, and then you're vlogging, you're filming your mates watching the screen, you're watching back your clips, you're adjusting the settings. It's ridiculous. So we're going to film today's video in 2.7K, which is mega high quality. But they've honestly thought of everything. The software's dull, but I absolutely love the hardware. That is a sticky pad that's reusable. So if you peel that off, it's sticky. If you hold it onto a surface, a flat surface for 10 seconds, like a window or a table if you want to film, you can then clean it with water and reuse it. That remains sticky forever. How mad is that? And it screws into that stand, like this, which you could put a selfie stick on. If you wanted to just to film a cool clip, that can now go on a window, a wall, the side of a train. You know what I mean? The inside of a train. Don't put it on the outside of a train. Or you can vlog like that. I love that. And the best bit is, a little upgrade from last time, I've got in my back pocket this little magnetic spacer here. So because of the shape of that, you can change the angle of the chesty. So often when you ride bikes, you want it to point up. So you put that spacer there, it tilts it up. And now we've got a more of a chesty position. Whoa. Or you could reverse it if you're working on a table and you want to film like doing something, some drawing, you can flip it so it's pointing down. Like that's where they smash it, you know? So the best way to do this is just to go riding. You ready, boys?
Yep.
Let's have a POV session. Yeah, get rid of all that. We're just
mate.
GO3ing now.
I don't need this.
No, we'll go and put it, yeah.
See ya.
See ya.
Is this yours?
Yeah, we'll come back and get it tonight. See ya.
God, the stabilisation's insane. Whoa. No way.
Give it here. Jamie, have a ride.
How the hell do you ride this place?
Yeah, it's pretty rough.
It's hard.
It's pretty rough.
You'll get used to it. You probably won't. Yeah, Ben.
Yeah!
What you got, mate?
Oh, I got something for you, mate.
I know what it is.
I'm not doing anything this way.
Go on. Do a hot bar spin up there. Go on. That's easy. You got your phone in your pocket?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're fairly waterproof. This is waterproof to 5 meters, mate. Go on
okay.
then.
Oh no, I'm stressed. Hang on,
Yeah,
back up.
Oh, do it. Do it.
Why am I?
Yes, get in there.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Fair play.
Oh my god.
I'm actually used to having something tiny but mighty in my hands. Get it, Ben. You filming me?
I'll film you, yeah. Yeah! Oh god, sorry Matt. Go on, go down all the way, all the way. That was really cool. Now watch this.
That's the thumbnail. Yeah!
Go on, Jamie. 3 tail whip!
360 down whip!
Oh god!
Is he gonna land it?
I don't know.
Are you gonna try? Are you
land it?
riding? You do a 3.
No, I'll crash a 3.
That's nice. That's how you do it. Get it, mate.
What's it? No, Matt, seriously.
Come here, parkour.
Just film this.
Parkour.
Film it there, film it there.
Yes, contact.
Hey! Ah, kind of hurt. Alright, go on, Jamie.
Oh, so close. You'll get it, this guy. This go. Turn around. Oh, come on. Everyone wants to see. Everyone's going to be commenting about you anyway, even if you don't ride, but this could guarantee that they're good comments.
This grass is so long.
Do you know what else is long? The extendable selfie stick that I'm holding and the new battery life of the GO3. And if you want to purchase one of these, I've got a link in my description where you can go straight to the website and get a great deal.
Oh, give up.
You're right.
Yeah.
Do you want to go street riding?
Yes, go riding.
Let's go street riding. Street riding!
Yes, boy. So street.
You've got, I think speed is literally your ally. You need to bomb. Whoa!
Whoa, you went so high, Matt.
Here you go. Have a go on a mountain bike. You need a brake for the end, don't you? Because otherwise you hit the wall.
And you don't need a brake, why?
Get it, Jamie?
Yeah, that's better.
Oh, it's dirty on a BMX. Excuse me. Excuse me.
You went so high.
It's a cool thing, this. I've always loved coming here every now and then.
What, to ride or to hang out?
Yeah, just sort of Tuesdays and Thursday evenings, to be honest.
Oh yeah, fair enough.
6 PM, same as when we upload. Usually in
This is where you
here.
upload it from.
Where should we go?
Don't know. Ah, sunny old Milton Keynes. Oh! Oh my god! That was heavy on the ankles.
Ben, go left.
Oh my god.
A doomer, that'd be a good gap one. This whole building's abandoned. 50,000 people used to live here.
Now it's a ghost town. Hello, sir. Oh no. Whoa! They were steep. They were really steep. Watch this, I'm going to fake you the whole thing, Jamie. Watch that. Oh! Wow. He's so straight. And he's off. The HB Street Daily. Yeah, boy. No way. That was close.
That was impressive.
Do you feel threatened?
Massively. What do you reckon to that, Ben?
Nah, awful. Come on, Jamie. Come on, come on, come on.
Skate park?
Yep.
Let's go. We're going to get some POV shots in the skate park, which will be sick. But it was my thinking that the GO3 would have to go inside that action pod to get POV shots on board like this. That's kind of what we're used to seeing, isn't it? But I've only just realised this, and it's so sick, peacocks agree, that the GO3 on its own, using this quick release mount, can attach to that. It's magnetic, the latch locates, and then how cool is that? And for this is obviously on like a dirt jump helmet. For under visor shots, that camera will be unbeatable for being low profile. 35 grams. You could also run it on such a long unicorn mount because it weighs nothing. But I'm well into that. I thought you'd have to run the whole thing, but that is so genius. let's cut around. And obviously with the lens being that shape, etc., you can switch between portrait, landscape, which is a really cool thing about this camera. So even though it's on its side, just in the settings, you just spin it so it still works for YouTube, you know, or works for your phone. So sick, I'm buzzing on it. Let's go around.
Yeah, wait.
So light, I didn't even case.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it helped you fake it.
It probably does.
I bet you actually cannot feel it on your head, can you?
No, it's just
Like, no,
it's like, look at my hair.
yeah, that's
just
true.
changing-
Probably more weighty.
Changing shampoo would add more than 35 grams. Right, the quick release is sick. It means you can use it in the same way as every action camera, not just using the magnetic pendant, which I do love. But there's one more test for this camera. They claim it's waterproof to 5 meters, and I know just the spot. What do you reckon, boys? I estimate it's 8 meters.
Mate, that's actually terrifying.
Well, they say it's waterproof. The pod isn't, but the camera is, and you can use just the camera with that, so. Jamie?
I don't know.
The bigger they are, the harder they fall. Ready, boys? One of you are going first.
You go first.
No, one of you.
No, you go first. Mate, I'm terrified. I'm glad Jamie's as terrified as me. I can't believe Gemma did this. That's so sick.
You ready?
Yeah.
Right, let's go.
Mate, that was so sick.
Get in here, it's lovely.
That was perfect.
Lovely bit of English river water.
Is it warm?
Yes, glorious.
Stop lying.
I've never done anything like this in my life. This feels horrible.
You get up here on the top bit.
No!
Yeah.
No! I'm doing this. Oh
Go
my
on,
God.
Ben. Oh, he's still down. Yes, Ben! Ben, I'm coming in. Let's see if it's waterproof.
Oh my God, it's still there.
Jamie!
Did you open your eyes underwater?
Yeah. Go on, Jamie. What is that?
What?
What is that?
What?
Jamie, oh, hang on. Ben, well done for carrying the channel, mate.
Thank you, mate, yeah. Appreciate it.
Go off the top if you want your channel back. Is he going off the top?
3, 2, 1.
Here he is.
3, 2, 1.
DHB Daily.
3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go on, Jamie.
Mate, how much
Get it, Jamie.
Go.
No, it's just step. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Go.
No, wait. Oh my God! Get me out of here!
What's that in front of you, Jamie? Jamie,
My
stop.
channel!
Jamie,
My
stop.
channel! Oh, you'll punch the wall. There's a wall underwater.
Is it?
Yeah. I guess it's waterproof. Link in my description if you want one of these things. They're game changing. I actually love it. True adventure camera, and it's tiny, like everything else in this river right now. Legends.